Hi, I'm Tiong. Welcome to our home. I live here with my parents and two siblings. Here today we have our interior designer with us, Sisi from Interi.
Hello, thanks for having me.
It's a pleasure. So I've been living here with my parents for over 20 years and we decided that it's time to give this place a new look. So we decided to do a renovation. We went online to search for a few renovation ideas, but they weren't very suitable for one reason or another. And then just so happened that one of my uncles recently renovated and he recommended Interi Sisi.
Good.
So we called her up and she actually came down for a site visit. So what impressed us most about Sisi was that she was very detailed and willing to listen to our ideas. So Sisi actually came down with measurement tools and the floor plan with some ideas. My parents actually wanted an open kitchen and a bar counter. So Sisi took that idea and she built on it.
Actually, Xiaoyang's brief made my job easier. I actually agreed on his idea of having an open concept kitchen because after hacking the existing wall, there's actually a lovely view of the treetops and it allows natural sunlight to enter the house, and this made the house feel brighter and bigger.
We had a slight concern with the open kitchen concept because my sister and mother loves to cook and we try to have home cooked food as much as we can. So we were a bit concerned about the odors spreading out from the kitchen. But Sisi actually suggested to have sliding glass doors which help to maintain the open kitchen concept while containing the odors. I thought that was an excellent idea. Other than the open kitchen concept with 5 people living under one roof, we also wanted to maximize the storage space we had.
Yes, in fact, that storage space is one of the top priorities for most of the Singaporeans homeowners. Therefore, we spend a lot of time planning and designing concealed storage space. There's actually full height cabinets in all the bedrooms.
So when it came to the actual renovation itself, we were actually quite concerned that it might stretch beyond 3 months, which was the targeted date. But they actually surprised us because they completed it within 2.5 months. And the process was really smooth. Like when there's any potential hiccups, they actually give us a call, get us to come down and check and make sure everything was smooth and nice.
We are very happy that we completed the renovation ahead of the schedule. This comes to careful planning. There's actually a logical sequence to the planning. So first we start off with hacking, and then electrical work, and then tiling, plumbing, and then cleaning, and then painting, and lastly carpentry work.
We were very satisfied with Sisi's work because of these high quality carpentries, as well as her initiative to create this living space in our living room as well as the dining area. So this living area you see here is a initiative by Sisi, which we love it a lot, as well as the dining table adjoining to the bar counter. So we find that these spaces created a lot of opportunities for our family members to mingle around, which is fantastic. So I think Sisi did an excellent job. On behalf of my family, we would like to strongly recommend Interi and Sisi to any homeowners embarking on a renovation project.
Thank you, Xiaoyang, for having me as your ID. It's my pleasure and honor to serve you and your family.
The pleasure is ours.